Hey everyone, what's up? Ready for some fun physical activity? How about trying Zumba walking? It's great for all ages and fitness levels. You can burn calories, get in shape, and have a lot of fun. Dance, move, and enjoy the rhythm. Let's get started. Ready to have some fun? Let's go! Before we start dancing, let's warm up. This helps prevent injuries and prepares your body to move. Start marching in place. Swing your arms gently. Feel your heart rate increase. Take a deep breath. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Very good. Now the real fun begins. Let's do the Zumba walk. March forward, lifting your knees high. Swing your arms to the rhythm of the music. Next, try side steps with a touch. Step to the side and bring your feet together. Add a little foot tap as you step. Now, let's do forward and backward steps. Step forward with your right foot and bring your left foot to meet it. Repeat going backward. Finally, try a simple spin while walking. Take a small step to the side and turn your body. Keep walking and repeat the spin to the other side. Section 4. Feel the beat, feel the burn. As you move, feel the music and let loose. Zumba walking isn't just a workout, it's a party. You're burning calories, improving your mood, and breaking free from a sedentary lifestyle. Keep your energy up and feel the rhythm. You're doing great. Section 5. Cool down and breathe. Alright everyone, now it's time to cool down. Let's catch our breath and stretch our muscles. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Raise your arms above your head and inhale deeply. Exhale slowly and lower your arms. Feel the stretch on the sides of your body. Hold each stretch for 10 seconds. Section 6. You did it! Now share the joy. Congratulations on completing your Zumba walking workout. You moved your body, had fun, and took care of your health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun workouts. Share your favorite move in the comments below. Let's continue to inspire each other to live healthier and happier lives.